Katuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na inilatag sa malasutlang dagat. At ang bayan niyang pinili, nasa dulo ng bahaghari. Kaya't 1,000 kulay nangakit kumakaway. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng pelas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
Hello everyone! Now that you had experienced Palawan through virtual tour, I know that most of you appreciates more the beauty and diversity of Palawan. But we should not just appreciate the beauty of it, but instead, as a human, especially living here in Palawan, we should be the one who protects and be the role model for everyone who is visiting our province, like what the Republic Act 7611 provides. Are you familiar with the Republic Act 7611? I know you're not, but don't you worry, I got you. I will be discussing with you the simple information I gathered about this act. So, let's get started.
The Republic Act No. 7611 Strategic Environmental Plan for Palawan. Under Section 1 titled, this act shall be known as Strategic Environmental Plan for Palawan Act. Under the Section 2 Declaration of Policy, it is hereby declared that the policy of the state to protect, develop, and conserve its natural resources. This act, which originated in the House of Representatives, was finally passed the House of Representatives and the Senate on February 7, 1992 and February 6, 1992 respectively.